In this video we are going to show you how to remove the single DVD player for entertainment for Mercedes 2008 GL450, which is similar to the other years and model. The tools that you need is this size T20 screwdriver plus the two keys to remove the DVD player, which goes to these two slots over here, one on this side and one on the other side. The DVD player is located under the rear seat passenger side. In the first step, you insert the two keys into the slot right in front of the DVD player, and you push it in all the way. It makes a clicking noise. Yeah. By the way, we already made everything loose. This is just for the demo. That's why it's moving back and forth. But sometimes the DVD player, it doesn't move after you insert the key in. You need to push it from the back of the unit under the seat. In the next step, you remove this the cover for the rear door entry. You need to use a dashboard removal tool, this blue tool, and you start from the front of the cover. You pop it up, and then once you get all the clips out, and then you just slide it toward the front of the car. Just as you can see, there is a little clip here, so it needs to slide out. And you put this one away. The reason we do this one, so we can move the carpet from underneath the cover. Now you need to fold the passenger seat. To do that one, you have to remove this lever in this position up, and then there is a little strap on the back. You have to pull this one out and then pull this lever at the same time, and then you can fold the seat toward the front of the car. Here you go. And now you can lift the whole seat. Now you take this cover off for the hinges. You just slide out. There's two clips, you can see, just slides out. And then there is a cover for the front of the seat. There's one screw over here and then one screw over here. You can take, we already took the screws out. Once you remove those two screws, and then you can slide out the cover. You can see, I'm going to remove the cover. Yeah, that's it. Just leave it out. And now we can get access to the carpet to fold it over, so we can get to the back of the DVD player. For this, in order to fold the carpet, what I did, I made a little bit of a cut over here on the carpet with a sharp piece, and otherwise it would be very difficult to fold the carpet. But when you put it back in together, the seam goes together, does not even show. So you can just use the sharp cutter and just cut it like about 2 inches in order to be able to fold the cover. So after cutting that one, then you can fold the carpet all the way back. Yeah. And then now you can see the back of a DVD player. It has the 3 cables. 2 of them are for the video, and these 2 metal ones. And then there is a one on the right hand corner. That's for the power. So all you need to do, you need to disconnect the 2 video cable from the back of the unit, which is very short. If you pull the DVD player out from the front, you won't be able to disconnect these 2 cables. If you yank it out, it might just come off by forcing, but you shouldn't do that in case if the plugs they get damaged. So what you do, you just insert your hand over here and then detach these 2 cables from the back of a DVD player. The third plug, which is located on the right hand side, I will show you in a second. You are going to disconnect it, then you pull the DVD player out of the cavity. And now that we have everything loose from the back of the unit, we can pull the DVD player out. and remember, if it's hard to pull out, they can push it from the back of the unit. You can pull it out, and then here you can see the connector. You just insert, push the little bit clip inward, and then fold this clip over the plug, and then it just comes up. And here is these are the connector in the back of the unit. And if you need any repair for this DVD player, you can send it to High Tech Electronic Services in Van Nuys, California, 818-785-8085.